Hello again, traders. Dwayne here from DRFX Forex and trading as Daddy Papi in a Dukas Coffee trading competition. Now, I'm going to be taking a look at a recent trade that was made this morning, yesterday in fact, which took place on the pound Swiss franc 4-hour chart, where as you can see the market had formed a consolidation setup on this time frame, and several days ago the market actually attempted a bullish breakout, which was followed by a sharp reversal that took us back inside of the consolidation, where the market attempted to start the breakout bearish. However, instead of continuing this reversal in favor of the Swiss franc, the market then reversed once again and provided us with this ABC reversal signal to indicate a potential movement back inside of the consolidation. So the trade that took place was in response to this signal here, an ABC reversal signal, which is typically the type of signal, one of the many types of signals, or is a typical signal that you see when the market is about to head back inside of a consolidation. Here you see a few examples of candlestick patterns that normally tell us when the market is going to be heading back inside of the consolidation. Double bottoms and double tops in the case of a bearish reversal. Consolidation setups just outside of the boundary, followed by a break of this smaller consolidation back inside of the larger consolidation. And of course the ABC reversal signal, that is a very common and a very strong signal that tells us that the market is going to be heading back inside of the consolidation. So this was the idea behind this trade, to take advantage of what was expected to be a reversal back inside of the consolidation. And what took place in terms of the trade setup was that after the market broke back inside of the consolidation, back above the support, the long position was open with a stop loss placed just below the C of the ABC formation. And the target was set to the boundary. And after just a few hours, 16 hours, four hour candles, the market rallied sharply and hit the resistance boundary and provided me with this gain of 75 pips. So a short and aggressive trade that took advantage of this reversal as the market headed back inside of the consolidation. Now, in terms of where the market is going to be moving from this point onwards, well, we're now starting to see the market move sideways here, and it did pull back and form this bearish candlestick signal. But we're now starting to see the market drift a little bit higher, now at the resistance boundary, but there's no clear indication as to the type of setup or the type of signal that is going to lead to a movement either bullish or bearish. So for the time being, I would say that there's a 50-50 chance that we could see the market either head back inside of the consolidation, taking us back down to the support boundary, or continuing this bullish movement and starting a breakout once again. Now, the reason why I would say that there's a 50-50 chance is that even though this is a bullish movement, this candle here is normally an indication that the trend is that a sharp movement has come to an end, and that we could see the market reverse. So normally one would favor the current momentum, especially in terms of a consolidation false breakout reversal, to take us back, to break above the other side of the boundary. But given the fact that this candle is a very large candle and is normally associated with the end of breakouts and trends, it is putting the possibility of a reversal back down towards support firmly on the table in terms of a possibility. So I think we have to patiently wait and not jump the gun in terms of where the market's going to go from here. So overall, this was a good trade, an aggressive trade that took advantage of the signals that tell us that the market is going to be reversing and heading back inside the consolidation. Typical false breakout reversal signal where the market attempts to start a movement in one direction and is followed by a reversal that can take the form of many signals, including this ABC signal, that tell us that the market is going to be heading back inside of the consolidation and provide us with a short, with a trading opportunity. In this case, a very sharp and aggressive trading opportunity of 75 pips. So once you're aware of the types of signals that lead to these types of reversals, you can take advantage of them by waiting until the signal has been formed and completed. And once the signal is strong enough, then we can take advantage of it and trade them aggressively.